cap out there, people. And right now, I'm going to try and prank Abby. No don't take like that, right? So guys, I pretend like say me a thief money from out Abby drawer and she come and catch me. Me I look on her right now, that guy she outside. Me I just go in her drawer, when she forward now, act like say me I take out the money, you see me? So guys, smash the like button and comment team cap down below. Bomba. Oh, push. So guys, if you ask me why me a thief money, I said I make up something like mother want money or Bomba shall come mother want money or you know buy something for mother birthday. So guys, stay tuned. Yo guys, you know I'm lucky and actually the ice cream man just forward, so I have to look more time to buy ice cream. So guys, you know, please subscribe to comedy channel Abbi and Cap Comedy TV. Subscribe to Abby's Madness and Capos TV, and don't forget to follow up on Instagram, isn't it? People have a business page right now named Shop AC Gang. Want to go over there and go follow the page and actually check out the product them we are selling. You see me, we have ring light, we have tripod, and we have water dispenser and them somebody. Oh, and we have again, earpads. So go look on the page, people. Alright, so now we have a more time. So guys, I try and put on the camera and figure out what I'm really gonna do and make sure say that one is epic, isn't it? So guys, stay tuned.
A few minutes later.
Drop it, blood clot. Careful. Don't act like you want to come use my spray. Where put it in your pocket? Where put it in your pocket, Kawa?
Wait, you want me to? I just spray look for how long they have to spray. You know that really?
Careful, there's no way you can tell how long I'm for the spray. But I'm putting the things in there, so. Where put it in your pocket? You put something in your pocket, and when you hear me come, you fling it in your mess. Empty the pocket, empty the pocket.
I swear to God, I
Empty the pocket. You know, you did that about a while ago.
Yeah. Oh.
And the fuck up your foot, because it's me like the icicle.
Oh.
Back to you now. Drop it.
Give me my spray now. I don't really want
Drop it, Kappa. You know you're not supposed to touch my rebel. Drop it.
No, good as
Enter the pocket, enter the pocket.
Everything good, man.
Kappa,
What?
start acting like idiot.
Me no waste me do.
I see you put something in your pocket, and when they hear me come, you take up my spray to make it look like a sham. You act like someone that keeps no sense.
Yeah, what? I spray me go for one.
Enter the pocket then.
No, you can't search
No,
for free.
enter.
You can't search for not pocket. Look. Pocket look empty, okay. No, not card. You see?
Take out the two and then.
You see?
Say this. Look why I take my ear and this in a more room.
What? What?
Where to go the money?
What money?
No, say who?
You know, say, alright.
Where to go the money? And then not only that,
But
yeah,
that
lying and talk, boy, you never take up none.
When I borrowed, man, some mother needed to do something. I lent it to her and then she'll give me back next week.
Double.
And all that money I take out, that's 7,000.
Alright, your mother borrow money, going back to square one. Why you thief the money?
I never think to take it out.
You take it out, and one time I ask you what you have, what you say. You
Never
hide
know,
it.
never know.
Oh, you must know how to make all that our money. It's not your money alone.
But me I say, we can't buy the talking now. That's why I try to do it and then the next thing just put back in the next week when she give me the money.
Kepo, we look for the money every day, we check the money every day. Remember, we sell things.
But me I say, you
Somebody have to know say the money, mister.
But when I put it back next week to the other. I put it back by
So, what do know about it?
Alright, she borrow the money. What?
No, the fact of the matter is that thief for the money a while ago. But then when you could have just come to me and say, Abby, you know, say, well, I'm a type of why your mother want the money.
Some shit I did, man.
Like what? What's so important for make you walk cut in at the job and a thief out our money?
That's something important, Sean. That's why I take.
Like what?
That's why I borrow the money.
Yeah, what's so important? What she had then?
Something she want buy.
She didn't plan a funeral? What?
Which
She didn't forget a doctor? What?
Yes. So I did it and
Second of all, even if your mother want a doctor, you could have come to me and say, Abby, you know, say, you could have come to me and say, Abby, you know, say, so my mother, you know, she not really have it now, so she have borrow this, me and give her this. I mean, I say, alright then, keep it alright then. But the fact say you have a thief, every time I ask about it, you have to act like say you never done do nothing. That bother me. That bother me.
Yeah, let me tell you.
If your mother sick or whatever, you give her the money. But I don't want to hear them.
What do you mean by that? You tell me
Guys,
I
the
care about the
thief
money.
or the thing,
I give her the
no.
money next
The
week.
fact
What
of the
problem?
matter is that thief it out a while ago.
You
A
take it
thief
out.
a thief
No,
out a
because I
while ago.
never want to know about it yet.
Kepo.
Let's tell you about it.
When?
After I did I care about myself, I didn't borrow money. And
When time I miss out all the money I put in the jar, you think me all the things that I know say I miss it? When time I miss it, I'm ask I say they just tell me lie?
No, I tell you for me, I borrow it.
No, you don't work so. Anytime you ever touch the money, you make me know because of our money, not your money.
Never that free. I think say me
And the fact of the matter is, sometimes I ask you where you do, because you play it, you spray perfume like I
the
said.
perfume, I got that back. More perfume to use too. I swear to you.
So you keep the money and I use some perfume.
Perfume, you want perfume to use too.
So you keep the money and use some perfume.
My God, man. So listen, you can buy the money.
I can't give her the money. I don't want you in my room though.
What you mean
I'm
by
going to lock my room. I'm going to lock my room when I'm in India.
why?
Because you're a thief.
Borrow the money, Abbi.
Yeah, but if I don't borrow the money, you'd have come to me.
So,
You're a thief for me too because I 12 money
No.
in there. 12 money in there. And the fact that you hide it a while ago, you take out the money to your pocket like some nonsense and wave it so. Remember me used to thief for like enough time so I know it go. You fucking thief.
you're company a thief too.
Yeah, but that was back then.
Thief
That
from
was
thief
back
and
then when
God
I
laugh.
used to have enough
Thief from thief God
money.
laugh.
It-
If me a thief from you, you know if you're saying, there's no say, if you thief already, I understand, say, why thief from sister? Why thief from sister? Answer the question.
Come out of the room.
No, yeah, I do.
Because you not get it.
What me not get it? You want to explain to me. Tell
Me thief for my sister because she ever come and come thief for me. We thief from each other. But the fact of the matter is, you wait until I'm gone outside with the damn knife, go in the jar with me and your money in it, and you try to take it out before I come back. When time I step through the door, you frightened, so you hide it. And when time I ask you, what that you put in your pocket, you play it off like say you never just put it in your pocket. Them some of them, I have an issue with. But don't wait in my room. I don't want you in my room. I don't want you in my room.
Yeah, give me money.
Go sell your body or something. Because right about now, I'm going to give me the business. No business. And you still act like, so you
Abbi, I was
understand what
going
I'm trying
to
to
put
come
it back
from.
though.
It doesn't matter, you should have talked to me. And I like say, if you come to me and say, you know, some mother with money for medication or whatever, I'm going to say,
No, because that's a
it's the fucking
But you want to
principle.
look.
It's the
You don't
principle.
want nobody know.
It's the principle. Oh, so me and nobody know?
You want to know about it. That's why I did it
Why?
fast and then because of the woman.
When Tasha wish you tell me about it, so why this time different?
Because the money, I never want to know about it. That's why I did it fast.
What do you mean, the money?
Nothing I want to know about it.
Look, my stay come to you, if I'm saying, Abbi, you know, say, I want money for do this and do this. I'm saying, alright, then take it out. Then I get 12 money.
Yeah, I keep the money. Everything. I know. All the money.
No, put it back where you find it, thief.
All the money. Because I can't buy everything here. Everything you have blood of proportion.
Yeah. Easy work on the like.
What? What that make sense? You happy now?
Imagine me in there, you can't come to me and say, Abbi, Ray, and 12 ways say, alright then, boops.
Let's do it.
Stop blinking at me. Fucking thing. I'm not going in my room. I'm not going in my room.
You can't even understand.
Put them figures.
But for half figures now.
Put them figures. Put them
I want
figures.
the figures.
But don't worry
May I have
about
a figures?
No.
Why?
Figures are for me. You eat, you're full of belly
Who
this
do I?
morning.
When if I...
All the thing me eat this morning and one thing is I drink some water.
But
Put
you
them
have to
figures.
breakfast.
I never want none from me at the time. I don't want, still don't want none from me. I'm worse than want none from me now. Can't believe say you really stand up with your hand at tea for the money when you can't ask me.
Alright, between me. I'm sorry, but...
Yeah, you're always sorry. At the principle. And then you come and make it look like say, come up on my spray. Come out of my room.
So, I'll be serious.
No, I'm
So you
serious.
can't just... Alright,
Can you not get where me actually come from? One thing me eating is this blow world and a thief. And me don't want thief to stay with me in my room. When them could have come to me.
You say I did me?
You could have simple come to me
You say I did me?
and communicate.
You have to talk to sometime. Mr. Charlie.
I have to talk to when there's somebody sick.
Mr. Charlie, look.
When somebody sick.
You said become your man car. I should not tell me I should say.
But don't worry, I'm in my room. I'm serious. I'm a key. When I'm not in here, I'm not in here.
You want some money?
Now what kind of key is
You
this?
put that money you want some money.
Yeah,
For the
see.
big money.
It doesn't matter, the principle.
For the enough money.
At
Relax.
the principle. But don't worry, I'm in my room. Come on.
Look a bit of money and come
Yeah,
and
alright,
sign it
yeah.
over.
Alright, yeah. Lord, look a bit of money. At least me not a thief it. Out. I'm gonna my room door out. I don't want you in the room by yourself.
Yo, if you have one, I'm going to take it in the first place. I won't be. Tell me money.
Keep on not letting none. You done thief it already. So go on with it. Pretend like something never in it. Thief it, keep thief it. You done thief it already. So go on with it.
Yeah, take them and talk.
No, go on with the thief. You have a thief.
Take them and talk.
Not to go a thief, everybody.
Take them and talk. They ask them to take them and talk. You think I'm here talk now?
No, you never.
I'm here talk.
No, you never want me here talk before you did thief it.
Never I know about it. Come here, they won't be nice on head.
Oh,
I mean,
if you
I mean-
come to me and say your mother sick and she
I
need
mean, I tell you,
medication,
come
but I
here,
say
come
keep
here,
take all the
come
money and go on with.
You can't go over. All you need is still, so hey.
Put it back where you get it.
Well,
And my mother dog eat it.
You can't go over.
Yeah, come and come on. It doesn't fucking matter. And the fucking principle which you not get.
You know what I tell you?
Yeah, out. Anything you want? Take it out right now.
Alright. There's no more. That's you.
Yo, stop
Hey,
touching me, stop
What's
touching me.
happening so far?
Stop touching me.
What do you think, sir?
Keep up with the wallet. I know my deep wallet. I don't know my deep
Listen,
wallet.
take out the more, so I take you out.
Put me down, put me down, put me down.
I probably get it. I just
From the Ross, you're a fucking thief. Excuse.
Yeah.
Hey, my mom was saying before
Come
him
here,
jump. Stop my mom was that before him jump. And come and tell me.
You talk about it now? I probably get it.
Keep up.
And then for money thing, me I come here and I ask you.
Keep up, I don't know shit. 'Cause
All
I
this,
don't know.
all this,
I
man.
don't know the type of person you are no
What
more.
do you mean?
I don't know.
A change? Hey, take the money.
When I take no money, you put bad money which by you get it from.
I just want to get it.
Yeah, yeah.
A prank.
Yeah, alright.
So, you know, so what now? You let me see me?
Put bad money where you get it from.
So, you let me see me?
Put bad money where you get it from.
I want this father. I'm telling you, look with the money, you come and go and experiment over the money.
Yeah, at least but I'm a
Yeah.
thief. Forget the look of the money.
Where do you forget it? Where do you forget it, eh? Shake your body? Where do you forget it? Tell me. Twerk? Eh? Go fancy you some want my spray still.
Keep up, stop spraying my spray.
I brought my prank in on the 13. I just want to make it now. Oh boy. I'm very crazy, man.
None pass on a young boy nowadays.
What's it supposed to mean?
I said what I said.
No, you're not reason to make it in a thief?
Of course. Much tired thief of the things, dirty boy.
Like what?
I'll go perfume every minute, yeah, spray skirt, and when I see me, I'll come and fling it down.
I mean, you're living on my perfume.
But don't live in nothing.
You just smell like the change because it smell like me.
But don't at least I use it in front of your face. You sneak up perfume and behind my back.
Like me like carpentry. You see me?
Remember, you want to smell like Abbi.
I mean,
You want to smell like Abbi.
no,
Not
she
you want to
bought
smell
somebody
like Abbi.
else.
Why me I walk by now my bag?
If you're not even I think that may come with it, right? I don't think
Come
I
on,
the bag. I'm gonna get you mad, man. Come sit. You do look? Eh? You do look? Come here.
Fuck all about that plan. Boy, no some can come to me, you know. You know him can come to me, my thief. Bo prank. See everything them bad about prank when time them get catching at them fuckery.
You still doing that? Oh yeah, do.
Yeah, me know a prank, a bad prank, and yeah, come and talk about a prank. On a bad prank when you get catch. Out of the room, I don't want it in the room.
She's sad, you know? She's so sad. I tell you, it's a prank. You know, stop now. I ain't thieving the money. I'm gonna grow them with it, yeah?
Show me that from the start.
Me not go
Show
there.
me that from the start.
Yeah, go see. Yeah, go see from the start. Oh, yeah, build like a nincompoop. Look at you.
Come on, no, my
Look at this, father.
My hair teeth. My not
Abby,
like teeth.
you just admit say you're a thief.
I
So is it a
was.
thief?
I was.
So how make you change?
Cause I know
You're still a
the
thief.
seriousness.
Once a thief,
do.
always a thief. Your thief same way. You're a petty
Yeah,
thief.
but other by that day, no matter me a thief from my damn sister.
Well, me a thief from my damn girlfriend.
Me and I your girlfriend nothing.
Alright guys, you see a reaction there. I believe I'm gonna take out our perfume, I tell the people. Not even a little cologne, she knows this. Yo, people, the rebel cologne smells so, not cologne, body wash smells so good. Body spray, what about it mean? So guys, if you enjoy the video, I'm turn on, I'm gonna see what I go on. People, if you enjoy that prank, if you think it did epic, if you think Abbi reaction did good, and expect her to do something else, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know in the comment section, is it?
Alright.
Make sure to subscribe to the page and turn on the notification bell so you can post a video when you get notified same time, is it? And make sure to subscribe to Abbi's Madness Capo's TV and Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. You know it already. Yeah, people, Abbi and our son. We don't know what to our people. What about if I idiot?
Yo, move that camera from face.
You're not chill, man. You don't have no chill at all. Say what I want, alright?
You know me hate thief, I don't like thief.
Who like thief, Abbi? Other than thief? Eh?
Keep a move no my youth.
I said more video.
Yo,
Say,
love my youth.
Talk to the people and how should I go?
I'm still a fan away, say boy, I'm still a fan away. No,
It look like say you have something you want to talk about. Talk about it. Yes.
Yo, move the camera.
I be say the one personal, you know. I be like one thief some big friend one time and it's like it haunted for your life. No man, this serious.
My youth, Bill, man. Sure.
People, stay tuned for the next video. Is it? Yeah man, just make sure say yo, smash the like button, you know, guys, and subscribe and help me reach 100,000 subscribers. Is it? 7, tell them Team Capo is out. See you when you